I have a question about passive income, and
Okay.
I want to know what kind of trends do you see for a person interested in that? I don't want to be stuck in an office 9 to 5 for the rest of my...
How are you thinking about, when you say passive income, do you mean what do you mean?
I mean not having to work all day long. I want to be on a beach in Mexico instead of being on an office in Sweden in cold November.
Are you being serious right now?
Yes, I'm serious.
The quickest way to not be on a beach in Mexico is to think that passive income exists.
Is this motherfucker crazy?
Nigga X about me, nigga X about me, nigga X about me, nigga X about. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. Nigga X about me, nigga X.
Alright, first and foremost, GaryVee, I don't understand why the fuck he's saying the shit that he's saying in that video. I don't even know. I don't know the man. Somebody put me on to him. I dug up a little bit of his information and I found out one thing. He's not really for me because it seems like a lot of his like what he targets, his marketing, is kind of towards the everyday Joe. Like, he's all about personal finance, and that's fine and dandy, but he's all about the average person in America. Like, the average person is not going to know about, like, credit swaps and, you know, like, deep financial guru type shit. They're not really trying to get rich. They're just trying to manage their budget and try to make a little extra money here and there and stuff like that. So the only reason that I would think that he would even say something so damn stupid is that he realizes that his core audience does not believe in working, not working for money. They don't believe that that's possible. They don't believe that there is such a thing, and therefore he can have a little bit of fun with it because that's kind of his persona, is to, you know, be the everyman and, you know, how to not so much get rich, but you know, how to just live comfortably. He's kind of that middle ground kind of. I don't understand it. I don't follow him. He's kind of weird to me. He just like repeats a lot of shit that I've read in books before. I think that's what he did. I think he just read a bunch of books and just repeats a bunch of quotes, and people think he's like some smart guy. I don't know. I don't know the man. It's whatever. But this is the infamous Joel. Fuck all that shit. We're gonna talk about this passive income and how it doesn't exist. First of all, affiliate marketing. Okay, so affiliate marketing is passive income. That's what the hell it is. Like, you set up these little blogs, websites, sales funnels. I prefer sales funnels. YouTube videos like a lot of these guys are doing, and they generate you money over time. You know, I'm not going to go into detail about how all this works, but if you've never heard of affiliate marketing, there you go. That's passive income. Now, with passive income, what I will say is one of the major misconceptions is with anything with passive income is that it's like, I don't have to work at all, ever. No. You work ridiculously hard in order not to work. So I don't know if he was going for that as his answer, but that's the answer. Yes, passive income exists, but the amount of work that it takes to get to true passive income is insane. And a lot of people are not built for it. A lot of people have shit that they have to do in their life, and they have kids to take care of, blah, 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 right? They, you know, you have your daily grind, your responsibilities, right? So most people don't have it in them to set up passive income because there's so much work that goes into it. It's insane how much work you have to do. But as you can see, all these people are making money on affiliate marketing. And there's my guy Kevin David. Kevin, I hate you, man. But so a lot of these people are, look, start affiliate marketing step by step. There's a nice little guy there, Roberto Blake. He's all right. You know, I've seen a few of his videos. There's my guy there, John Crestani, another guy that knows what he's talking about. If you want to know about passive income, come see him. Okay? Now, I'm not saying that everybody else is like phony or whatever, but I like this guy. He's actually featured in Forbes. You know, He's like the passive income guy. He'll show you how to set this all up. Now, obviously, like I said, it's not like overnight. It's not like 10 seconds. It's not like 2 pages you designed and then all of a sudden I have millions of dollars. You know what I mean? So this is a little bit of a misleading, $1,000 per day with affiliate marketing. It's not that you can't do that. It's that this is going to take a really long time and a lot of work. You know, by reading the title and seeing all the money flying around in the thumbnail and shit, you're thinking like, oh, I can do that tomorrow. No, probably not. You know, just being realistic. Probably not. Probably take you months and months to set that up. But as you can see, this is one way of doing it. Now, I pose a question. So Oprah, all right? We all love Oprah. Look at Oprah. Look at her. She's amazing. I love Oprah. I always bring her up in a lot of my trainings because I love Oprah. I think she's fantastic. All right? So question for GaryVee and his followers. If Oprah stopped working, okay, right now, look at her. She's so happy. If she stopped work, let's say that she just doesn't get out of bed for a good 2 weeks. You know what I mean? If she just doesn't do anything. Do you mean to tell me she's not going to make any money at all? Because remember, there's no such thing as passive income. None. I didn't say some passive income. Or I should say Gary didn't say some kind of passive income. No. He said it doesn't exist. You always have to work for money. So you mean to tell me if Oprah, billionaire, crazy Oprah, crazy rich, Oprah rich is a fucking term. It's in the Urban Dictionary. Okay? Oprah rich is a real fucking phrase with a definition. That's crazy that you have a status named after yourself. But Oprah rich is a thing. So if you're Oprah rich, would you even have to get out of bed for the rest of your life? I'm betting no. I'm betting Oprah will make money whether or not she works. I think she just works because, look at her. She's fantastic. She loves to work. I mean, she loves helping people. She's a good person. I think Oprah just loves to work. I don't think that she has to. I don't think that she's bound by work. You know what I mean? So there's passive income in what she has set up. That's crazy. No passive income. You're out of your mind. Okay? Jay-Z. Another one of the guys that I really try to emulate. I like a lot of what he says and, you know, I like a lot of his music and stuff. Okay. So, Jay-Z, owning the copyrights, owning the masters and stuff like that to all his music, his brand and blah, 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 right? So, if people are still buying his music from like 1998, 1999, you know, he's receiving royalties from that, isn't that passive income? I'll let you think about that for a second. If it doesn't exist, then how is he making money from stuff he did when he was 25 years old and he's in his 40s? That's passive. That means that he doesn't have to work for that money at all anymore. It's coming in. As long as people are going back in time and buying some of his old catalog, you know, and I'm pretty sure people are going to do that for a very long time. He's got some great music, right? So that's not passive income. Look at him. He's like, nigga, you crazy? Look at him. He's like, that's passive. I make passive income every day. What are you talking about? Where does that come from? Why are you hating? I don't know how else to put it. Jeff Bezos, right? You mean to tell me that the richest man in the world who owns one of the biggest companies in the world, Amazon, if he decides to just stop working and never do anything, right? He has to show up to the office, like the man asked. He has to show up to an office in Sweden and not be on a beach in Mexico. There is no passive income for the richest man in the world. He has to continuously work every day. What does he actually do? Like, if you see him in all these suits, making appearances, look at him talking at the JF Kennedy Center, and there he is at some kind of award thing or something. Has anybody ever even seen him work? Like, what does he do? Is this him working right here? Does he just go around hanging out different places? Is that his job? Oh man, he's got the sleeveless vest going on right here. I mean, when you that rich, you just wear sleeveless shit. You fuck it. I'm making passive income. Look at him. He's so passive income, he's just covered in gold coins and his head is sticking out. Right? There's passive income. How are you going to say there's no such thing? What are your followers willing to believe? You can't just make a crazy, insane claim and expect there to be no type of backlash and repercussions, and that's insane. I don't know what you were trying to get across to that man, but there is such a thing as passive income. You do have to set up those streams after time, but once they are set up, you don't have to work. It is recommended that you do because you want to keep making more money, but passive income is about residual rewards. Stuff that I did 10 years ago is still making me money now. That's passive income. YouTube. I just decided to bring up random YouTube homepage videos, but YouTube in and of itself is proof that there's such a thing as passive income. Okay, I want to see if there's anything that's really old here. Just 20 hours ago. They give me a lot of recommendations on stuff that's newer. Let's see. Right? 2 years ago. Let's just say that, hey, Paul Mooney, that's a funny guy. Let's just say this is a 2-year-old video, and whoever uploaded it is still receiving payment from views and advertising, right? Isn't that passive income? Isn't YouTube, the existence of YouTube, proof that there's such a thing as passive income? Videos that were uploaded in 2006 are still receiving monetization. They're still getting advertising revenue. Okay? That's passive income. There is such a thing. I don't even know how many other ways. Music licenses, royalties from inventions, patents. I mean, it goes on forever. Rent from real estate. What the hell's the other one? Dividends from stocks. You just go on forever down the line. I mean, if you buy a McDonald's and you hire someone to run it, McDonald's is pretty much, that's why there's so many McDonald's, is because it's so easy to set it up as passive income. You know, millionaires are not buying McDonald's out the wazoo because they like Happy Meals. It's because it's such an easy passive income stream. You set it up, you hire a bunch of fucking teenagers to work for minimum wage, and now it's passive income, right? That's it. So, I mean, how can you own 10 McDonald's if you have to work in each one of them every day? No, it's passive. You don't have to work in them. The McDonald's is collecting money for you by giving people little toys and supersizing shit. Alright? There's a little plug for McDonald's. But, passive income exists. I don't know what the hell this crazy motherfucker is talking about. When I saw that in that video, I was completely turned off. I was like, this guy is either out of his mind or he's not speaking to me as an audience. You know, it's a lot of business is about segmenting the audience. It's about knowing who you're talking to, and maybe he's just not, his marketing is not catered towards somebody who's trying to build a true business, who's trying to build passive income. So he doesn't care if he offends me, I guess. But that's just stupid. If you're one of his followers and you're watching this, it's just stupid, okay? That was a stupid thing to say, and I don't know where he got it from, but that, maybe he's not a stupid person, but that was stupid, and anybody can say something stupid. That was stupid. Alright, Infamous Joel, I want you to subscribe to my channel, I want you to like the video, and please leave comments down below, you know? Leave a comment down below if you agree, disagree, what your experiences is with passive income. The Infamous Joel is out.